For more on this, we're joined now by the BBC World Service Environment correspondent Navan Singh Khadka, who has been covering this Himalayan region for the BBC, including Tibet and Nepal, for many years. I am privileged enough to have also been to this part of the world. It is unbelievably beautiful, very high up, high altitude. The Himalayas are there, but also Mount Everest is right there. Can you describe for us, firstly, a bit more the area that we're talking about?
Beautiful when things are normal. Blue sky, turquoise-colored lakes, imagine the plateau, the Himalayas, of course. But then when things like this happen, then it becomes dangerous, very dangerous. You see, for example, right now we're hearing about this aftershocks, not to forget all this temperature tipping down. That's there, of course. But also the fear is these aftershocks might be rattling the mountains further.
Because we're thinking hundreds of aftershocks.
Yes, hundreds, of course. And we just got this US Geological Survey's figure. It says that, around that epicenter, until maybe close to 100 kilometers, they have found around 1.5 meters slip of terrains. Now, that is something dangerous. Would that unleash landslides, rock falls, avalanches? That's another concern. And I've been hearing from the Nepalese side as well, there are these concerns. And it's not that's not happened in the past. In the past, if you remember in 2015, when Nepal saw a major earthquake, Mount Everest shook and it unleashed all those kind of things. That is also a fear there.
What about climate change as well? Because this is an area of the world where we're already seeing things like the glaciers retreating.
So you see, the glaciers, the ice packs, they act like cement. You see, in our houses, what we do is the cement keeps the stone, bricks and everything intact. When the cement is gone, the house crumbles down. It's the same story with mountains. When ice packs, glaciers go away, then all those stone, boulders, soil, they tend to come down. Mountains come down. And now see, enter earthquake, battling further. That is the worry. If those mountains have become weak, they will be weaker. And that would invite disasters. And therefore, they're talking about where are those key infrastructure, human settlements. That is the concern now.
What about rebuilding then? Because that's surely going to be incredibly important, that what is rebuilt is earthquake, is able to withstand another earthquake.
Yes, so that is where you see now, I'm sure immediately they're talking about the earthquake, the epicenter, where is safe and all that. But then now when I'm talking to planners, they're saying that they cannot ignore climate change. So again, this is where are those places? Where have those mountains that have become very, very unstable? They will have to identify that as well. That's the challenge.
Okay, thank you very much for joining us.